So we started by press Shift A and add a cube into the scene. Then I will press SX2 to scale the width in X-axis 2 times Y, and did the same thing to the Z-axis by press SZ.65. But now you can go back to the item and then change the Z-axis to 0.7 and adjust the height accordingly. And then press Ctrl A to reset the scale back to 1. And now we can start adding some bevel to the edge. Go to Edit Mode, select the edge you want to bevel, and press Ctrl B. Actually, I just want to bevel the two-ended, so Ctrl B and add the bevel. And then I'll press 3 to go to the top face, and then also Ctrl B to bevel the top. And while in Edit Mode, press Alt X to use Machine Tool's Symmetrize function. And now go back to Object Mode, and then go to the top view, and then we activate the box cutter, and press D, and then select Endgun, and then now we can make a cut in the front face. And then I will apply the Boolean modifier and then commit the change. Then I decided to make the cutout slightly wider and also the step a bit wider as well. After select the top two edges, Ctrl B and then scroll the mouse wheel to add segments to the bevel, and then Alt X to mirror it to the other side. And now I decided to make the cutout step even wider. Then select the three verts made up the surface and press Y, go to Mesh Machine and choose Flatten. It will flatten the surface for you. Now I will do a one segment bevel just to keep it simple so I can clean up easier. Here I do some topology cleanup. I will use Machine Tool's Align tool just by selecting two verts and Alt 8 to align them. And then I'll press GG to slide the verts along the edge. Then I'll use Mesh Machines on F tool to even out the mesh flow. And now we can symmetrize by pressing Alt X and then swipe to the negative X direction. And now select the edges in the middle and then right click subdivide. And then select the two edges and Ctrl B to add a bevel there. I'll do some fine adjustment here. And select the middle face and go to Mesh Machine and then change width. And it will make the bevel a lot thicker around the middle area. And bevel this edge as well. I'll add a few segments here, there. Oops, just the middle part. And now we will bevel the edge, the surrounding edge. Again, keep it simple just by doing one segment bevel so we can clean up the overshoot. Press GG and slide the verts along the edge. And do the on F again, just to make sure things are spreading out evenly. So just look around, and I think I like what I see so far. So just press Alt X and then mirror to the other side. Now select the face and then press Alt to select the loop. And then go to mesh machine, and then I'm trying to do the views, but doesn't seem to working right now. And let's try to mirror in the z-axis, and then try that again. Select the face loop, and then same thing on the bottom, and then press Y to go to mesh machine. Still looks like there's some sort of issue. Maybe just try do one ring at a time. Views. Okay, I guess that's the issue. You cannot do both at the same time. Okay, just press Alt V to go to Hardup's viewport submenu just to do a sanity check. Make sure the normal is okay. Okay, let's move on. Just select the edge loop there. Just press Ctrl B to bevel, and then give it a couple of segments there. Then again press Alt X and then mirror to the other side. Then press Q to go to Hardups, and then hold down Alt and press Sharpen. You will throw a weighted normal modifier on the stack. And then go to Matte Cap, and just to pick something pretty reflective. And you can see just by pressing the modifier on off, you can see what it does to the surface. So I guess it's a good time to take a break now, and then we'll continue modeling in the next chapter.